Do you ever get a volcano when you cone up your clay? The reason this happens is that the outside of the clay is rising faster than the inside. Another reason this can happen is if your clay is too hard or not wedged well enough. The danger with getting a volcano is that you could get air trapped inside. Try keeping your hands lower down on the clay towards the wheel head and focus on pushing them towards each other to allow the middle of the clay to catch up with the outside. It may take longer than you think for the clay to move. Be patient. Don't rush to move your hands to try a new position until you have given the clay enough time to react to what you're asking it to do. Always think logically about the forces you and the wheel are exerting on the clay. The wheel is forcing the clay outwards against your hands, so pushing on either side of the clay will force it up, as that's the only place the clay can go. Another way to get rid of the volcano is to push down and towards the center of your clay with the side of your fist. Holding the clay on the side with my left hand with your foundation arm braced to help control it. There, no volcano. Let me show you that again. If you're still getting a hole towards the top of your cone, press down with your thumbs either side of the hole and then push them together. This will close the hole without trapping air inside. I hope that helps. Now go away and practice.